I hope you remember the verbs we have already learned. We have learned a lot of verbs and their conjugation in the present tense. So are you ready to learn some more new verbs? Today we are going to learn the verb vouloir. It means to want. It is pronounced vouloir. It means to want. So shall we see the conjugation? For je, it is je veux. Je veux. The X is not pronounced. It is silent. Je veux. It means I want. So the verb we are learning is vouloir. It means to want. And for je, it is conjugated as je veux. I want. The X is not pronounced. It is je veux. For tu also, the conjugation is the same. Tu veux. Tu veux. The X is silent. Now, what does tu veux mean? It means you want. So, je veux means I want. Tu veux means you want. For il, it is il veut. The pronunciation is the same. It is pronounced as il veut. But the spelling is different. So kindly note the spelling. Write down the conjugation when learning it because it is easier when you write it down. Now for il, it is pronounced the same. Il veut. However, the spelling is different. So what does il veut mean? It means he wants. So he wants. And for elle also, it is the same. Elle veut. Elle veut means she wants. Now, for all these four subject pronouns, the pronunciation for the conjugation is veut. However, the spelling varies. So, kindly note down the spellings. Shall we move on to the next four? For nous. For nous, it is nous voulons. Nous voulons. It means we want. We want. Nous voulons. For vous, it is vous voulez. Vous voulez. It is similar to the ER verb endings here for these two. So, vous voulez. What does vous voulez means? It means you want. And finally, we have il. For il, it is il veut. Sorry. Il veut. It means they want. Il veut. For elle also it is elle veut. It also means they want. So this is the conjugation of the verb vouloir in the present tense. So what does vouloir mean? It means to want. This is in the infinitive form. Means to want. For je, it is je veux. Je veux. It means I want. For tu, it is tu veux. You want. For il, it is il veut. He wants. For elle, it is elle veut. She wants. For nous, it is nous voulons. We want. For vous, it is vous voulez. You want. For ill, it is ill will, they want. For L, it is L will, they want. So I hope you have taken note of the conjugation of the verb vouloir. It is an important verb and this is the conjugation in the present tense.